Hey guys, welcome to any channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your viewport faster in Blender EEVEE. So as you can see right now it's very slow because I have a large scene open in my Blender and I cannot operate the camera properly because of this lag. So I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Simply go to render properties and disable the shadows. After disabling the shadows you will see a huge improvement, but we still need more, so I'm going to show you how we can make it more faster. You can also disable ray tracing, but it will not affect more. So you can make collections like this and disable the unnecessary files. If still not fast, go to performance and from here go to viewport and select the 8x in pixel size, and after that you're gonna see a smooth viewport in Blender. So guys, that's how you can make your Blender viewport faster. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.